Hey guys, Jordan here from ThatCarLife, and today we are at a car meet and it's going to be a fat cruise as well. So as you can see, we've got the S15 lined up with the 34 GDR Angelo's at Boost King. So his Instagram details will be right here. S15's here with the neon on as well, looking fat. And then we've got Ryan's WRX right here, which we've just done MCA coilovers. So if you want to see the video putting MCA coilovers in this car, I'll link that right up here. It's not actually clickbait, that video. Ryan actually has been taking the car out, and this is proof. He's at a car meet. It's going to be a cruise as well. So Ryan's taking out his car. A massive shout out to the MCA coilovers, and he's been loving it as well. I need your opinion. How are you finding the coilovers, bro? The MCA coilovers?
We haven't even tested them out yet.
Yeah, so tonight your first proper test drive? Like, you've been dailying it now, right?
Yeah, as a daily it's perfect, but we'll see. Put it to the test. So
this is it. This will be a good test cruise. What we'll do before we start the POV drive on the cruise, we'll do a bit of a walk around of the meet, and I'll show you guys some of the sick cars that are here. Oh, 1JZ Mark III. So it's a Supra, Angelo. I didn't know, but yeah, this is very clean. That's very clean, really nice. And then Focus RS, is that your brother's car, Ryan?
That would be, yes.
Yes, that's Ryan's brother's Focus RS, looking very clean. I love the color, and he's had this since new, eh? Yeah, so yeah, this is a very clean example of a Focus RS, very proper.
It's a good car for this, though.
Yeah, he had a built FPV. Was it built? A very fast FPV. And we actually went through our year 12 formal in that, me and Ryan. So that is his brother's new whip, which he's had for a few years. So very clean. Oh, wow, look at this E46. That's really nice. That's a full proper aftermarket front bumper there, wide body kit. It's got the same bucket seats that we're putting in the BA Falcon. That's hectic. This looks drift spec. Like, the interior is stripped a little bit. I don't know if you can tell. That is really cool. Look what's right next to this. A really clean EK Civic as well. Really nice dish on the wheels. Black EK Civic. Love a good Honda. That's really clean. Toyota Supra. This thing's immaculate as well. Yeah, as you can see, really nice leather seats, really nice quality paint job. That's a very clean example of a Supra. There's some pretty sick cars here. This Falcon, proper Barra, can't go wrong. Now that I've experienced the Barra, you know, even though it's just an NA, I've kind of fallen in love with these things. Definitely want to hear this thing tonight. It's going to inspire us to turbo hours sooner than later. Sick Falcons, hectic WRXs here. A fat Rex. Yeah, you like that.
I like it.
So you got to get a plate before people take all the good ones.
That's true.
These are such clean R32 GDRs, and a 35 GDR next to it too. That is sick. And this is Nick's immaculate Evo. This is beautiful. Really clean example of an Evo, white on white. But yeah, Instagram will be right here. All right, guys, so everyone's leaving now. We've got Angelo's R34 GDR in front of us. Bunch of hectic cars lining up here. I just shot a big flame. You probably won't see that on camera, but you can definitely see it and feel it. So tonight, guys, we're going to be going to Stanwell Tops for a nice cruise. We're not going to go through Nashua, we're going to take the highway there. And then if we're feeling up to it, we might go to Wollongong after that. So we'll see how we go. Regardless, it should be a hectic drive with some hectic cars and people. I just love looking at those tail lights. It's just so satisfying. Like, I don't know, it's just a big vibe seeing the R34 GDR wide body tail lights. I love it. Bit of a tunnel. That was a flame. What's that next to us? A Lancer. Something else on the left of us. Oh, that dose is so addicting. Well, I'm starting to smell E85, so I think we're starting to catch up to some of those cars we lost at the lights before. Hey, there's a DC5 gunning it. Oh, the GTRs are behind us, I think. Oh, Supra.
Smell E85.
Can smell E85, yeah. Whoa! That's hectic.
That smells nice.
That's another awesome view. A beautiful view. Look at that. Mark IV Supra and Mark III Supra right next to each other. Now that's something you don't see every day. The way the dose echoes off this wall. I love dosing up that way. That's so fun. We just made a quick stop at the servo. Still got the GoPro on my head, but R34 here, Rexy over there. We've got everyone filling up here. We've got Ryan. You just fill up? Yeah.
Can't run out.
Very important. Yeah, hectic lineup. We've got the Rexy, the Supra, these hectic JDRs right here as well. These Falcons. Wow, this 32 is proper. Yeah, I really hope we get up close to these two tonight. I think these will sound really nice. I heard a bit of how these sounded behind us. It was hectic. Yeah, beautiful R35 JDR, really nice BRZ, clean Evo. There's just some really clean, awesome cars here tonight, guys. I think this is worthy of a photo. That is definitely worthy of a photo. So we just left the servo. We are on our way to Stanwell Tops. It's the E46. Love the neon on that EK, that's sick. This feels like we're in Fast and Furious. Oh no way, an EP3. I love those. Two brothers cruising next to each other. Give it a hit, bro. Let's hear it. Yeah. Oh, it backfired. Guys, I'm so proud of Ryan. Look at him enjoying the Rexy, taking it out on a cruise. Supra's nuts. It just blew me away. pulled up to Stanmore Tops, guys. As you can see, everyone's just parking up. Hopefully we find a spot because it looks like it's pretty packed. We're in a modified car traffic jam right now. Bit of a vibe. This is the only traffic jam I like to be in. Hey guys, Future Jordan here. We didn't end up going for a further cruise after that. It pretty much finished there. So yeah, I didn't get any more footage of the POV drive. And yeah, I'm really sorry if the video was a little bit shaky. I noticed that as I was editing it. I think there was a problem with the GoPro, but yeah, I'm gonna make sure I get that fixed for the next video. But overall, it was such a fun drive and I got some really good content. So I definitely still wanted to get the video out and I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I know a lot of you have been asking for another POV. I'm definitely gonna do some more POVs this year. It's a whole lot of fun to make and you guys love it too. So I'll leave the video there, guys. I really hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please make sure you like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one on That Car Life.